Today I'm here to talk about what my introducer talked about lowering drug costs, lowering costs for Americans across the country. And I know it's been a rough 4 or 5 years in this country for an awful lot of people. We've made a lot of progress, but folks are still struggling. We can't kid ourselves about that. I wrote a thing called the Inflation Reduction Act, one of the most significant laws in history when it comes to helping families pay their bills at the end of the month. And we talk about a little bit about prescription drugs today, because today is an important day for those on Medicare. We pay more for our prescription drugs than any other nation in the world. And by the way, it's the same exact drug, not just a drug, but the same manufacturer. We pay considerably more than they do in France, Canada, Spain, anywhere around the world. I know the names of these pieces of legislation are just boring, but the Inflation Reduction Act caps the cost of insulin for seniors on Medicare at $35 per prescription instead of $400 per prescription. $400. You know how much it costs? You know how much it costs them to make that drug? $15 to make it and package it. $35 is a lot of money compared to $15. They're going to make a good profit. We're going to keep fighting for lower costs for cost of living of insulin for children and families as well. Because of the Inflation Reduction Act, seniors in Medicare Part D are also going to be able to get their recommended vaccines, like shingles vaccines and vaccines without any copays. And they've been paying an average of $100 to $200 a month for the shots. Nothing. Zero. You're not going to pay anything for those needed vaccines. And starting this week, we're making, it's a big deal. We're making hearing aids more affordable. We're also making them available over the counter so people don't have to pay the expensive visit to a specialist. Over the last few years, we've faced some of those difficult challenges in our history, both domestically and in foreign policy. And we're making real progress, helping folks just get a little more breathing room. Despite the opposition from the most powerful special interests, we're lowering health care costs. We're strengthening Medicare. We're fighting for folks who need our help. And one of the reasons why it's so important to America's future, we just have to remember. We have to remember who in God's name we are. This is the United States of America. No, think about it. And I've never been more optimistic in my life.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.